PHUN, the break of 12. You heard me, yes? PHUN. The break of $12. The break of $12 right here. Lots of traffic coming in. PHUN right here now. Listen to the sound of my voice. PHUN. Can you guys hear me out there? PHUN. See if we get a nice pop here at the $12 is everything to PHUN, right? All right, now listen to the sound of my voice. PHUN. This is the only thing you should be hearing out here. There's a lot of chatter. A lot of chatter on the air. PHUN 1248. Scoot those stops up. Looking real nice. PHUN. Come on, baby. Pop. 73% on PHUN. 12 is everything. Move your stops up. Don't try to be a hero. PHUN, there it is. New high a day, 1250. That's 50-cent move right there. Somebody made 1,000. Congratulations. Very nice. Very nice. Look at this stair stepper. Listen to the sound of my voice. There is nothing else going on around your world. There it goes. PHUN 12 freaking 90. 1295. New high a day. PHUN. You hear nothing other than the sound of my voice. $13. $13 now on PHUN. Move your stops up. 1304, 06, 07, new high a day. 1322, continuing to drive. Move your stops up. 1322, you hear nothing but the sound of my voice. 1334, up $1.34 now on PHUN. Move your stops up. 1339, I'm not in the trade. I'm here with you. I'm focused on getting you the money. 1339, PHUN, move your stops up. 1339, 89%. A lot of buyers at 1339. Tons of buyers.
It looks like it halted.
Yeah, I think it halted, Coach.
Oh,
Yeah, I think so.
it did.
Suspended.
There you go. There you
It
go.
halted.
Huh?
Attaboy, Coach.
Told you on a break of 12. Just going to run. Now listen to the sound of my voice when this goes. PHUN. It's live now. There you go. 1380. Pop to 1380. 1388. New high a day. 14. 14 on PHUN. 14 on PHUN. 1423. That was the break of $12. Is now up $2.23. Still climbing. Move your stops up. 1435. 1443, 48, 49, 56. 1462. Let's go. It's not done. 1462 continuing to run to the upside here, getting more volume in. 1462. This is the first level of resistance, ladies and gentlemen. Stop twice. 17.77 million volume. Staying up strong. Free float only 7 million. Super low floater. There's your new high a day. 1480. We called the break of 12. $14.80 on PHUN. There's $14.96 coming up to 15. There's $15. That's a $3 move. I'm still not in the trade. 1508. Still making money here at American Dream Trading. This is what we do every single day, ladies and gentlemen. That is beautiful. Doji candle forming right here. Make sure you move those stops up again. Still moving to the upside. Still a lot of buyers in here. Move the stops up, up, up. Looking real nice. 1480 hovering around here right now. 1511. 1511 is what we hit. Over 100% here on PHUN to call above $12. We went over $3 on this call out. 1,000 shares at $3. You're now up $3,000 just from this one trade. Just paid for your entire year of training in the VIP green team. There's a new high a day of 1529 on PHUN. still continuing to climb 115%. 1543. Is it going to stop? Ladies and gentlemen, we don't know. Let it go. 1562.73. New high a day on PHUN. Listen only to the sound of my voice. 1594. Continue.
Oh my God.
The upside. 1595. We're up almost $4. 1,000 shares at $4. You're now up $4,000. 1596. There it is. Looks like that might have halted. We'll see. We got it. Nope. Still got a lot of buyers sitting here at 50. There it is. And there is the next halt.